TryAdaptLearn. In this video, we'll try to change the oil in a GM 5.3 liter engine. We will begin by removing the drain plug from the engine oil pan. Once most of the engine oil is drained from the oil pan, we will then remove the engine oil filter. Once all of the engine oil has been drained from the engine, we will then reinstall the engine oil drain plug and torque it to specification. We will then hand tighten a new engine oil filter. We will refill the engine oil from the top of the engine at the valve cover. With an aftermarket oil catch can installed, we will drain the oil catch can. Once the oil catch can has been drained, we will remove the fluid from the engine bay and close the valve on the oil catch can. Hey, thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.